Okay, so this is how to hook up a shaver post trapper. Very crude drawing. This is the back of a tractor. That's a side picture of a tractor. There's your tractor remote. You have a supply, you have a return port. Supply port goes over to a valve at the post trapper. When this lever is pulled this way, oil will flow to this single acting cylinder that makes it go up. On my shaver, when this lever's pushed in, oil flows back to the valve through this blue hose to the back of the tractor to where the tractor transmission fill port for the hydraulic oil goes in, right there. Very crude drawing of that. This would be your supply on your remote. This would be your return on your remote. This is where you pour oil in. This is what you're going to for it to drop right. Now if we go back up here, if this goes to the return on your tractor remote, that cylinder will drop. It will drop slowly. If this return goes to there, which would be there, it will drop with enough force to push a post in the ground. This hose right here, I've driven thousands of posts with that hose right there being nothing more than a 3/4 inch heater hose. We're talking a high flow, but not a high pressure. I've since replaced it with an actual hydraulic hose because my heater hose cracked. It was getting pretty brittle. It was only about 30 years old. So I've replaced it with that just so it will last a little longer, hopefully, and hold up to the weather and be a little more durable. On my tractor, my old tractor, I haven't run it on my new one yet. Here I had actually taken the cap, which was an aluminum cap on a Ford 3910. I had drilled it out and run a 3/4 inch pipe tap in it with an elbow coming up. This hose had a barb fitting that was just hose clamped on it that screwed into an elbow on that cap, and it was a sealed system at that point, so you didn't get dirt and debris and mud and water going into your hydraulics. Now what some people have done is just you can take that hose, connect a pipe to it, and shove it in that hole. A lot of tractors have done that for a lot of years. I've done it that way. I didn't really like the idea of dirt and debris flowing down into it, so that's why I, quote, hard piped it, even though it really wasn't hard piped all the way to the valve on the splitter, but it was at least a sealed system. My new tractor, it's a Mahindra 2638. I'm having a guy make a fitting to go into the fill port on that tractor right now. He should actually have it done in a couple days, which is a good thing because I got some jobs coming up for it. And it'll be the same setup. When I get to that point and have it working, I've actually got some work to do with it at my own house first, and then I will post a video and picture setup of that. Might take a week or two though.